Just thought, just waiting for the rain to go off. It's just gone off, and just have a little walk around Longton Park, see what we can see. There should be squirrels and there should be birds and squirrels. Let's go have a walk around. Oh yeah, he's a squirrel. Just keep your eye out, we're just trying to find some squirrels. Oh yeah, he's one. Yeah. There are a lot of squirrels in this park. Hello. Yeah, so we'll just have a walk around the park. I'll show you the park, and then we'll just keep an eye out, obviously, when we have some random squirrels, and there's the birds. It's like a lake to walk around with some geese and some kind of geese. This is one of the Victorian parks in my area. Yeah. Just getting me daily exercise in the park. Yeah, where's he going? Hello, Roland. Oh yeah, he's back again. This one's hungry. Yeah. Where's he going? Where's he going? Yeah, the camera will just be a bit wild trying to find where the squirrels are going. Let me say on the tree. Yeah. You see the behaviour's changing a bit now. Where they're, as soon as you give them a nut, they try and find somewhere to hide it. I'll just give you a little walk around. This is one of the Victorian parks in my city. This is called. I think this is Victoria Park. I think this one. We've got one in each little town. We've got Longton Park, Fenton Park, Burslem Park, Tunstall Park, Hanley Park, and I have shown this before, but I'm just revisiting all my old locations on this new network. Just that I was going to do it a bit earlier, just waiting for the rain to go off. It's been raining all morning. It's finally gone off, so I've got about an hour of daylight left. Oh yeah, there's another squirrel. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Where's he going? Yeah. You see what they do is when they pick this. Some of them are tamer than others. They have them out your hand. Some of them do, and then you see as soon as they have it off you now, they try and hide them now with this because it's this time of year. They just go hide them straight away. Right, I'll just try and read you. It's like I was a bit random, these scopes, trying to look out for squirrels. They'll see some more in a minute. There's a lot in this park. We'll go around I'll feed the ducks and the swans in a minute. I'll try to do about half an hour scope. We'll see how we go. So have a little wander up here, look out for the squirrels. Massive park this is, like one of the Victorian parks. It was been here about 100 years ago. We see it in a different way now with all the autumn colours. It's a little bit windy, so I hope you can hear me over the wind. I'll just try and cover the microphone a bit if I have it in portrait mode. Right, who else have we got? Someone heavy-handed on muting me. Oh yeah, there's another squirrel. Hang on. Yeah. Yeah. Behind you, they're surrounding us now. Yeah, there's another one. Oh, Derby's in as well. Yay! Anybody want to call in? Have a chat. Got the call in feature on if Derby and Lisa won't pop in again. Anything you want to ask me about the park? So be typing it. Oh, get all the autumn colours in. And now Derby's sunrise was nice. I'm just showing you the nice British weather. Not much sunshine today. Signal problems. Yeah. I'm just trying the new network and everywhere I've been before, so it's up to you to give me some feedback. I'm just scoping in all my usual places. I've had about 4 days of a new network, and it's been great. So it might vary because I'm just moving about the park. So I say it's been all right on my 3-hour scope yesterday. I might just find some dead spots. I'm sort of praising it up at the moment. I've done about 4 days of scoping on this new network. So I'll show you some of the parks have probably got a bit of a dead spot. It's been good up to yet. I've been scoping the countryside and it's been okay. Let's go down here. Oh yeah, the signal might be going. I've just seen you pop back in. That's why I thought if somebody rings in, that might keep the signal locked on. Then else it keeps dropping. Seems okay when you're phoning. It seems to lock the signal on. But I found something out yesterday that where's he gone? Yeah, I was charging my phone with my spare battery, and everything was okay. Then when I pulled the plug out the bottom, it ends the scope. So I'll have to be conscious of that if I do that again. I was just talking to Angel outside Sainsbury's, and I pulled my battery out the bottom, and that's where the scope ended. So I have to keep my eye out on that. But just do my best in the British weather. Just obviously wait for the weather to try and brighten up a bit now. Look. It's always when it's nearly sunset it brightens up a bit. Let's see if we can find any colour. There's a bit of colour. Yeah. So it isn't t-shirt and shorts weather today. It's a bit, when it's been raining, it makes it a lot colder. Got my proper walking shoes on today. Jeans and proper walking shoes. Who have we got in? Oh, we are. Derby's coming in. Give me some feedback on the quality. Yeah, all the birds are coming. They should come in, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you can all ring in if you want. Ask me if there's anything you want me to show you. Oh yeah, all the birds are coming. Hello Derby, are you in? Hello. Yeah, the ducks have come say hello. Let me just get me I've just got not got my pockets mixed up. I've got monkey nuts in one pocket and bird food in the other. Hang on, I don't think the ducks want monkey nuts. Calm down. Yeah, use your birds. Say hello. Oh yeah, I don't think anybody's feeding them. They're all coming to me like man. It's like an armada of ships. Look at them. They're all coming to me. Yeah. Have you seen this? Have you seen this park before? This is Longton Park. I think I have scoped it before. But, yeah. Yeah. Can you hear me? All right. Yeah. Yeah. It's all the noise of these birds. Try and be on periscope. Oh my goodness, they're all coming over. They've seen, they know, they've heard your voice. Like you're like an animal tamer. Look, they've all come across now. They're all saying hello, Derby. I'll be over there soon. We're just getting over. We're just getting. Oh my goodness. Hey up. Hey up. Can I help you? Oh my. Look at the noise you're making. Crikey. Oh my God, I've never heard it make so much noise. Yeah, I was just keeping my eye on the weather. It's just started to clear up a bit now. Look, it's been raining all day. I just make the just making the most of the day. The sun, the rain's gone off now. Just, oh my God, I've never heard it make so much noise. Crikey, you hear them? What's happening? Ah, they're all singing. Never heard them do that before. I've never heard them make so much noise. I know they just I said hello. I said hello, Darby. Look what you've caused now, Luke. I just said hello, Darby, and they've all come to me. They've all come say hello. Your bird whisperer. Yeah, the ducks. I think it's because I don't think anybody's been feeding them the same. You know, in the winter, you don't get so many people feeding them, so I think they're desperate. I think they're desperate for something. Thanks for the hearts, everybody. Yeah, I enjoyed your sunrise scope. Wasn't jealous at all. Oh yeah, he's just. I thought I'll just do a. I'll just get a bit of a balance of. And where's the squirrel gone? Yeah, I was just going to show you some squirrels. You see one there? You know, he's there. Got a park full of squirrels. I'll keep your eye out. There's loads of them. You just go crazy for things to film in here. I've got ducks and we've got swans and kind of geese and squirrels everywhere. Hang on, I just keep getting my pockets mixed up. I keep trying to giving the birds monkey nuts. Hang on, wrong pocket. Guys, you can tell when they're hungry, can't you? Look at them. Um, right, yeah, yeah. This is the fun of British weather. You know, you try and scope, and you're sort of waiting for the rain to go off. Look how it's brightening up now. I thought it would. Look at it. It's just been dull all day up to now. Look, and then it's just all just disappears. Now it's all getting cool again. All orange. But it's obviously been a bit frustrating because I'm trying to scope and I thought nobody wants to watch a scope in the rain, do they? So yeah, right. Let me just get away from them. How noisy they are. Right. Oh, made myself think a minute. That's just. Have you seen this park before? I've scoped it. I don't know if you've phoned in when I've been scoping it. This is one of my like one of the Victorian parks we've got in my town. There's about 6 different ones. This is the one in the town of Longton. We just come to fetch some oat cakes this morning. Yeah, that was 3 hours, 13,500 steps. Yeah, it was 13,500 steps, 7 miles. I think I must have burnt about 2,000 calories. I think. Yeah, I've just recovered now. I felt like I felt like I'd run a marathon this morning when I got up. You know that feeling when you've done. Yeah, I've been meaning to get a gimbal, but it's always seemed quite stable. You know, because it's got there is like that is built into the phone and periscope. It's got stabilization built in the app and the phone, so it does seem to make it. Yeah, I want one of those. I want one of those DJI ones where you can do all the. So when you're holding it, you can do all the zoom from the gimbal, and you don't have to keep pinching the screen. Makes it a lot easier to do all the zooming in and out. Once you get the proper DJI, you can do the zooming from the scope. Yeah, this is going to be a bit more of a. I'm struggling just to stand still. I feel like sort of always wanting to be at a brisk pace when I'm showing you things. I find it hard to stand still, showing you everything. I like to show you things. Well, I had a bit of a brisk pace on yesterday because I was obviously concerned about being on the canal when the sun had gone down. You see, because it's obviously a place you don't want to be in the dark. So yeah, I think Lisa's in. Is Lisa in as well? All right. Yeah, but I don't think I've got to try and remember where. See, I'm coming to places I've scoped before, but I'm on different networks. So, oh yeah, it's the sound of running water. Yeah, let's keep moving then. Let's try and find some more squirrels for you. It's usually full of squirrels in here. If we can see any more squirrels. Yeah, I just felt like doing another big walk today, but I thought just give your muscles a little bit of a rest and just have a chill scope in the local park. Hey, our Queen's Park. There we go. There's a signal okay for all this writing. These are all the species we can see: dragonflies, water boatmen, wherever they are, pond skaters, pond snails, yellow flag iris. Oh, perch. That's the. I think they do have fishing in here as well. Water louse. That's the fish they go in here. I think perches. Ooh, there's leeches. What else is there? Mayfly nymph. Maybe one of those is. Where are we? Let's have a look. That's it. And all the birds are coming after me. Yeah, this is a traditional Victorian park we obviously had built about 100 years ago. You know, the Victorians built all these parks. This is one of the nicest. We've got a few to choose from. Oh, they're just going to keep following me now. I've started something now. Well, it's like a duck race. You know. And they're going to start. They're going to start yapping again. I think nobody's been feeding today. Getting a bit crazy. Yeah, they're all coming. It's like Derby, the Canada geese whisperer. Look, they're all just following me. I've crashed. I've crashed. Oh, must be the only place I've found with a bad reception. Yeah, no. Yeah, they're saying I've frozen, so I'll have to go somewhere else. This is the best place for scoping as well. I can do a 3 hours non-stop scope yesterday and then have trouble in a nice little park. Very strange. I've obviously found a problem with this network. I was praising it up so good. Just keep trying to come back in. I might just hit a few dead spots. I say I need all your feedback because I'm just trying a new network, so and it's no point scoping where it doesn't work anyway. So I need to make a note of where it's working and where it isn't. Yeah, I think I'm having a connection issue. See if anybody's coming in. Are you back in? Are we back in? I think I've just found a flat spot there. So there is, let's just find the areas of the park where it's okay. Yeah, it was alright that side. We'll have to stay over that side. It seemed okay over there. And now they're saying there's a connection issue this side. This is where all the birds are following as well, where there's no connection. Right, a bit of flat spot then. Yeah, all the ducks are following me. Yeah, let's walk back this way then. Let's try and find a... Let's go back this way. We seem to be alright now, just getting filtered. All the ducks are this side now where there's no signal. There's a squirrel over there. We keep trying to reconnect, folks. I'll walk around the lake and try to reconnect. See what happens. I see another squirrel. Where's he going? Oh yeah, there's one. Are you back? Yeah, I must just had a... yeah, I'll just have to work out where the flat spots are. I'll have to go back around the other side. Let's go back around the other side. Oh. I think we just hit a flat spot there. So that's all I need, some feedback anyway, so I know where's okay. Can't believe you do a 3-hour scope on the canal and then we've hit a flat spot in a nice park. I have scoped here before on the other network, so it's just hit and miss with there's something obviously you can't have every single place being perfectly clear anyway, so I'll have a few dead spots. It's a massive park, goes all down there. It's massive. All goes all the way down to the bottom there where the tree line is. It's getting a bit brighter now. The rain's gone off. And there's a clock. That's a Victorian clock up there. Let's go back to where we started. I think the reception will come back then. I haven't been since all the autumn leaves have fell off. Got a bit of a nice sky opening up now. Now it's ready to... Every time the sun's ready to set, it goes nicer. All the rain goes off. Very strange. All right. Yeah, I don't know what's best to do. Shall we try and restart, or let's just walk back where we started, where you said the reception was okay? I'm just praising the network up, and now we found a problem. It is a big park though, so perhaps it's just a few dead spots somewhere. I don't know. Just can't believe we can go on a 3-hour canal walk in the middle of nowhere and it's fine, and it struggles in a park that's near a city centre. Ooh, that looks nice on my phone. Got blue skies come back. I can't believe it. How dull it's been all day. And then the blue sky comes. I'll go back down there where it was clear. Yeah, I think that's what it's doing. I've noticed that when people all of a sudden it just starts looping the same thing I'm saying, isn't it? I think it's probably best restart. I think. Can you see anything now? Can you see a squirrel? Okay, I'll just start a new scope.